It's a white boy.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
What does it mean to be happy? Cause
Hey,
it looks
bro,
like
hey,
we
bro.
all don't know.
No.
Glass half full or empty. Man, we just putting on a show. Try to look to the heavens. Where those things that we beg to know. Like what did it on me?
Say hi.
There's no tomorrow. Oh, you know, I try to find a purpose in my life to drive me.
So hey guys, welcome, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please go ahead to like, share and subscribe. Today we're on our way to Portland. The first vlog we're not gonna get on the channel that is in the parish of Portland. Yes, people. So today we're going to Somerset Fall. It's my first time. Literally going to Portland. This is probably about my third time. But it's not my parish. I'm not really going to place there. Always see the nice pictures of the view and all of that. I went one day coming from work to go drop off something and I saw this nice view. So I would love to show that scenery here over that in that channel. On my channel, that scenery here on my channel. Yeah, so literally that's what's up today. It's actually a group trip. So you have me and Babe here. You have some person at the front, some person at the back. So that's the vibe for today. Somerset Fall. I hope it's gonna be good. But I'm going to take a cold, people, because currently Jamaica is freezing. Jamaica is not Jamaica right now. It feel like where would they Grizzle? No man, it don't feel like Jamaica. It feel like, let's say, New York in June. It's about New York in June because when June end out, like it has a chill. Like literally, I'm here, sleeveless, now I'm short, but my cold. So yeah, so that's the vibe for today. Stay tuned to the vlog, and we're gonna see what's going on. Portland, here we come. But first we gotta stop at Juicy Beef to get breakfast. So you know the thing go, we left with the belly hungry, so that's the plan.
There's no tomorrow. Oh, you know, I tried.
Then I decided that I want to pee, so I'm using the bathroom here at KFC in Fort Maria. Yeah. Let's go.
Yeah. Yeah, to the One time I feel like me heart on stone. If me no drink, me no happy no more. Promise my girl, say me I go love her forever, but me feel like that postpone. Cause when me looking at the mirror, me see me one. Me see a God bless you to work with couple demon. Nobody no perfect, but yet still as you fuck up them quick fi point fingers. Hey, me paranoid, full of mood swing, now me spoil your vibe. If me want loyalty, me know where fi find it. Panic gun whenever left me side. I just wanna be free. Live for myself, now me can't please everybody. No way. I just wanna be free. Live for myself, now me can't please everybody. No way. Enough just see the light and the laughter. Them not see the pain and the disaster. More while me cry, I water. Too how long me not see my daughter. Yo, you can't please everybody. You better be yourself, not be anybody. Because when you arise, them why you be fall like rain by the balcony. I just wanna be free. Live for myself, cause I can't please everybody. No way. I just wanna be free. Live for myself, cause I can't please everybody. No way. One time I feel like my heart on stone. If me no drink, me no happy no more. Promise my girl, say me I go love her forever, but me feel like that postpone. Cause when me looking at the mirror, me see me one. Me see a God bless you to work with couple demon. Nobody no perfect, but yet still as you fuck up them quick fi point fingers. Hey, me paranoid, mood swing, now me spoil your vibe. If me want loyalty, me know where to find it. Panic gun whenever left me side. I just wanna be free. Live for myself, now me can't please everybody.
So while traveling, they decided to make a stop at a bar. They made a stop, you know where? What's called it? Which part of Portland?
Black Hill.
Black Hill? Is that a famous place in Portland?
Yes, the accident.
Oh, well, alright. Alright. So it's currently 12:24. So this is a bar in Portland. Sure that gamble. Listen, I don't know, we're just here for the vibe.
Alright.
You know that?
Come here.
Didi!
Hi, Pierre, back. I can't say you.
Didi! Say hi! Today is your birthday. So today is Sherida's birthday. So you guys can wish her a happy birthday down in the comment section. And where are we going for your birthday, ma'am?
I don't know. It's a surprise, actually.
It's a surprise that everybody knows.
You called me this morning. You ruined the surprise. Yes.
But we never say where we are going. Oh, wow.
No way. Enough just to the light and the laughter. Them not see the pain and the disaster. More while me cry I water. Too how long me not see my daughter.
Alright guys, so this is the outside. Well, this is where we actually came inside to park. So this would be like the parking lot. And then the property will be up that side. So yeah, as you can see, they have a slide there. I heard that they have like boat rides and stuff for inside. So let's see what inside is gonna be like. In the meantime, me and babe here just waiting because it's a group trip. So you know you have to move together. And we're not used to that because we normally go by ourselves. So yeah. Band is ready to go, so inside time now.
Me see me one. Me see a God bless you to work with couple demons. Nobody no perfect, but yet still as you them quick fi find fingers. Hey, me paranoid, full of mood swing, now me spoil your vibe. If me want loyalty, me know where to find it. Panic gun whenever left me side. I just wanna be free. Live for myself, now me can't please everybody.
Do you talk?
I just wanna be free.
Alright, so this is everybody. That's Jagba, Odin, Asai, Sharida, and some other people I don't know. Yeah. I don't know. So yeah. We need to catch a parrot. Alright guys, so we're walking to where they have the boat ride. Right here? Of course. That means that Kinder ain't gone already. They, what shirt are they? Oh, you have to go down further. Oh, it's in there. There's a view over here. So actually driving up to where you go to the boat ride. Boat ride, you have to go up hill. That's where instruction must be obeyed. No, I boat ride, where I go? Something like that. Quick, try to catch shrimp. Long time. Alright. What do you have?
When you answer, so your ear and voice, so you don't know where there.
Best, the size that can fit us.
In my must I get
How do you know which one is?
In my must I get one I can't fit you. So we're actually doing the boat now. I don't think down there is for anybody to go in. And not 2 time. Boy. Alright. So we're actually going to go on the thing. Another best.
Hey, what is this? Can't you really come? I mean, look how big. That's why they're adjustable. Sorry, you're not good now.
Why?
Yeah, see my best side of me.
Oh my God. Wait.
It's can't go out to me already.
Wait.
But I need to go that way. Here.
You don't need to figure that way.
Not these people. You're not going to make no problem.
I'm going to tell you, I'm not sure. You can't
go down the pool.
Right, so we can't go down the hole if we want. People used to jump off in there. All right, people. So we're actually going to the waiting section. And so over here, you wait for the boat to come. So, wow. Yeah.
All of my dirty footprint them there, watch it. Yeah, show it. See up here?
No, Sanky. It come, watch it, hold it. Hold it.
Now, why you don't trust nobody?
I don't trust you. See, Sanky. Yeah, man. No. Shalom, man.
Watch it.
Die, bro. No! Bomb!
Woo! Hey! Who that? Watch out! They're too happy. The boat look lean, not true? That's 12 feet. That's not 12 feet.
Right by X for that, right by X.
Hey! I don't want to go to this boat, too lean. I don't want to go to the water. The boat is too lean. I don't trust it.
I'm glad you tell me, right after the sea.
Boy!
It's better I now taking enough water for the sea. And the water shallow.
Oi! A new boat they want. What happened? Huh? God is with you?
One more funny boy.
Hey, nobody can hurry you. Which way I want to go?
Where? Where next place to go?
Where are the fishes suffer?
Me not go for this boat. This boat is lean. It's extra. Take your water too. Alright, people. Not Jack Baby allow the water too. Yes, yeah. 8 and 8, yeah. Anything you want to? No, wait for the next one. Father Baby allow the water. Hey! We don't make sure the safety is together. Hey, Jagba? Jagba! Yeah, make sure the safety is together. Boy, daughter.
This is for me, officer. I'm okay.
All right. Jumbo! Don't go! It's a white boy! Why?
No one, the next one never be alone.
Which way is that friend there?
Yeah, Brownie, go inside there. Ben, she, no, she's not going to water and she's coming to the house. Yeah, man, happy. Right, that's so you go.
You're coming again.
So where am I go? Alright, behind you again. You have your back.
You say sitting there frozen, then think, then think.
What are you doing?
Come
on the boat.
Alright, so we're on the boat going around to the fall. Alright. Bring the yes, I did. Bring the right, that's a deep, you know?
What did they do there?
Bring the right, that's a deep, you know? Say, let's go. Happy birthday to you.
That's the old fashion. That's the old fashion. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
What are you screaming for? Indian, what about a little?
No, that man. Indian, who's there? Alright?
Come on, guys.
Listen, Indian never in Titanic sympathy. So you don't want to sympathy. Tell them Indian.
Yeah.
Big
up yourself, Indian.
No time. Alright. Alright.
What camera? What camera? No?
Yeah, yeah. Do it again. Yeah.
You can't say.
Oh my God. How was the falls?
It's tough.
Huh?
Me da go back up there.
Yeah. What shirt that in there?
Shada gone down.
Shirt that mad. Where they? In the front. Oh.
Film there no man.
Talk to them gone down.
So you there walk there walk.
Whoa. People, we recommend you come, but make sure you go where the boat side is, right? Where you go on the boat, because that's where actually the fun is. Right, Rizzo?
Just go and jump off.
Yeah, so, sure. Talented. Well, we don't know, but based on our experience, it was solid. Right? And the view here is nice too. Yep. So we're heading out where the pool side is. We're going back that direction now. And I didn't want my hair to get wet. However, it is wet. But at the first time I jumped off the deep water, people, and to be honest with you, it was literally legit. It was like worth it. Recommend. So as I said, we're going back out where the slide and the pool section is. Let's see the quality extra nice now. That's because I'm recording on my new phone. Yeah. So that's what's up. My ear full of mouth and all of the product them out of my mouth full of all of the product them will wash out of my ear. Alright people, so stay tuned to see what's next. Alright. Alright guys, so we left Somerset Falls and we're going into Portland town right now. So that's the vibe, and as I told you guys, it's a group trip, so I'm just turn on the camera and show everybody who's at the front. I don't know why sure that make all them there. You hear about all of it? So the car them, well, burn one a corner would be a better Jack, why don't play with Jack back? Hey! Don't play with Jack back. Listen. Alright, and some person at the back. Alright guys, so we're actually going to the, did I say it before? We're actually going in the town section. Not sure where we're going, just following everybody else.
That's how you see the bad road.
Yeah. So that's the vibe. It's like literally entire day in Portland. Entire day in Portland. Yeah? So we're here trying this restaurant that they say is called Lustin or something like that. I guess it's so Asian. I don't like the ambience, but let's see where this like them long time slavery. Alright, we're still going up. That's another. Let's go to see. Oh. No, sir. Oh, Fusion. It named Fusion. So the sign there? I'm tired. Just walk up the stairs. Fusion. Whew. So that's where we're going. The entrance to the ambience ain't. But let's see what inside is like. You're not hungry? Alright guys, so we're actually leaving this restaurant because first and foremost the restaurant is pricey. I think it's too pricey. You can come out. Secondly, them can machine not work and the credit card don't have use like.
What does it mean to be happy?
So
Cause it looks like
we're going to go to our next restaurant.